Good morning, children. Today we will be doing the map of mountain plateaus and also the Thar desert. Now, according to the slash syllabus, certain places we have no longer to mark, so please keep that in mind. The map is given on page 70 in your books, so you can follow that later on from that page also. So we start from the north and we will go down south as we mark the mountains. And the very first range, you can see this is river Indus, and between the boundary of Kashmir and China and the river Indus, you will draw a line starting right from here and over here, and this is Karakora. This is the Karakoram range. Then we will draw the Himalayas, and the Himalayas start right from this curve of Indus. And since Himalayas are in a number of ranges, you have parallel ranges of the Himalayas running all through this Jammu and Kashmir portion, and this is your Uttaranchal portion, Uttarakhand. In between, the rivers have caused erosion to take place. So over here we are drawing the lines of the Himalayas, and this is your little portions. Just make sure that you don't cut the rivers. Is that clear, children? Because the rivers have cut their valleys through the Himalayas. So when you draw the lines, you can ensure that they are not crossing the rivers which are coming from the Himalayas. Just drawing in between them, and that will be your Himalayas. Now we have one mountain range in Rajasthan, which is an old fold mountain, and the Aravalli range. These mountains you will be marking by imagining that you are extending this and this end till here. So you draw a straight line and a straight line like this. So this becomes the corner from where you will draw the line, and it is a gently curved line, and this is your Aravalli range. After the Aravalli range, we have two mountain ranges over here, which are your block mountains. And if you can see, this is your Chambal and the Betwa. So you will just start from the tip of this river, and along the tip of Betwa you will go, and this is your river Narmada. You will go right up till this particular river. This is the Vindhya range. So this is Vindhyas. And between Narmada and Tapi river, in between the two, you will be drawing another smaller line, not as long as this, a smaller line, and I'm going to make an arrow here now. This will be Satpura. After this, we come to the Deccan Plateau region, and starting from the tip of river Godavari, without touching or cutting the rivers, we will draw a line very cautiously. We cannot cut the rivers, children. Remember that these rivers are rising from the Western Ghat. So you will draw the line from the tip here, going a little further down over here, and this is your Western Ghats. On the right side is the Eastern Ghats, and where the two Ghats meet over here, just under the curve of the river Kaveri, this is the Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills. From here, you will draw one line in a curved manner till the curve of this river Krishna, as the Eastern Ghats have been completely removed by the two rivers over here, and then the Ghats continue over here as a second portion, and these are your Eastern Ghats. Now these are the mountain ranges and hills that you have to mark in your map. There are two plateaus, one being the Chota Nagpur plateau over here, and the other being the Deccan plateau over here. Now the Chota Nagpur plateau is where you have the river Damodar. Until between this river, you draw an oval shape touching the tip of these two rivers, because again these two rivers rise in the Chota Nagpur plateau, and this you will be marking as the Chota Nagpur plateau. And in between the western and the eastern Ghat, you will draw a triangular shape like this, and this portion inside is called the Deccan Plateau. Okay, so these two plateaus are there. Then we have one of the peaks which is called K2, which happens to be the highest peak in India, Godwin Austen. Okay, it is not in the Himalayas. The highest peak in India is the Godwin Austen K2, and of the Himalayas we have Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga we are not marking, we are only going to mark K2, which as you can see should be at this point where you have this dip of the Kashmir, just a little above this, and the triangle tip should touch Karakoram range, and this is K2. Okay, so all these are your mountain ranges and plateaus as well as the peak, and one portion that you have to mark also over here is the Thar Desert. So Thar Desert is in the western part of Rajasthan, where you have this portion. You will just draw a circle in this manner, and this will be your Thar Desert. Okay children, so this will complete the mountain, plateaus and the Thar Desert.